Perdekop, my father's side, I was staying with my grandmothers. I was raised by my grandmothers. My father was working here in Joburg. My mother was also working here in Joburg. But my mom, at least every now and then, she would come and we would visit her during school holidays. But my dad, we only saw him once per year, or sometimes never. And every time when he came home, he would come with a different woman. So, every year, 10 years I was washing my own clothes, I was cooking, I was making fire in Bahula and the stove, samalahle. So every morning my grandmother used to send me to buy alcohol for her. Every morning before I go to school. Sometimes I would go to school barefoot with no shoes. So there was a time where I started realizing, good no, there's something wrong here. Because sometimes I would do my neighbor's garden and she would pay me with a plate of food because there was no food at home. And then sometimes I would look after someone's cattle. So I would sit there and then I'm cool and about the young 5 minutes gave me some to say. So these are the stories most people don't know about me, and I'm probably sharing this for the first time.